Are you getting Nintendo Switch error code 2809-1209? Then you are at the right place, as we have easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart your switch. A simple restart can sometimes clear up temporary glitches. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, then select Restart from the Power Options menu. Once the switch restarts, check if the issue is fixed. If not, check your internet connection. Method 2. Check the internet connection. The Nintendo Switch error code 2809-1209 indicates a connection timeout or DNS error. This means your switch is having trouble communicating with the internet. So, the first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi router is turned on and working properly. Try connecting another device to the same Wi-Fi network and see if it has internet access. You can check your internet speed from speedtest.net from any device connected to the same internet like your phone or PC. If you have an unstable and poor internet connection, then contact your service provider. You can also restart your router or modem and see if this works. Method 3. Restart the router or modem. The next thing you can do is restart your router or modem. So, turn off your router or modem. Disconnect all the attached peripherals and cables. Wait for some time and then reconnect everything. Now turn on your router or modem and check for an internet connection. Method 4. Try a different connection. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. And also choose an Ethernet connection as it ensures a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 5. Run a connection test. You can perform an internet connection test on your Nintendo Switch. To do that, from the home menu, select the System Settings icon. Scroll down to Internet and choose Test Connection. The test will begin immediately and the results will indicate if your console is successfully connected to Nintendo's services. Method 6. Check your Nintendo server status. Before you go for any further solution, check the Nintendo server status from the Twitter handle or from the official website, as this error is related to the Nintendo server. So, it is very important that you check that. In case you find the server is down, wait for some time till everything gets back to normal. If you get a Nintendo error after that, then proceed with the next method. Method 7. Check that the network is compatible. To check compatibility, visit the official website for a list of supported wireless modes, frequencies, and security settings. If your network isn't compatible, consider adjusting the settings to ensure a smoother connection. Method 8. Change the DNS of your Nintendo Switch. If your Nintendo Switch persistently fails to connect to the Nintendo server, then you can get this type of errors. So, change the DNS of the Nintendo Switch and check if this helps. Here is how you can do so. Open Nintendo Switch settings and go to the Internet tab. Click on the Internet settings and then select your Wi-Fi service. Click on Change Settings and then DNS setting and select the manual option. Set the primary DNS value to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Save your changes and restart your Nintendo Switch. Now check if you are getting the issue now. And there you have it. The methods to fix Nintendo Switch error code 2809-1209. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.